Hey guys, okay, I'm a bit sleepy and tired. It's just 30 minutes after midnight on my end. So I just wanted to do a quick recap of the idea I shared on gold on Monday morning, which was kind of like Asian session time. Well, it was early morning for me. So this floating video here is actually an analysis. I think if you are only seeing this video now, you can just go check what I had said. So basically, this area, this where the eyes are, let me just see. On to New York, even if it seems slow, but you'll see throughout the day it'll. Okay, so it carries on. I want you to listen to what I said here because hopefully some of you will kind of figure out something that can be helpful in the future. I've been trading for quite a while, so gold is something I focus on, but I mean, you can use this for any other pair. You just have to understand what moves, what market sessions move that pair or that stock, whatever. It doesn't really matter because I trade um, chart, like chart language, candles and stuff like that. So every chart has a candle, So yeah, you can pretty much build its anatomy over time. So, okay. So here, I think I was just explaining that Mondays don't fight the direction. Whatever Asia starts doing, it usually will continue to London or even sometimes to New York. So the whole plan was for it to come to these eyes. That's the first target. This next target is this, which we haven't reached yet. So because it's only Tuesday. Well, it's the end of Tuesday now. Wednesday is coming in. If, let's say, around 10, 9 o'clock Sydney time or Tokyo time, whatever direction they start going at, I usually don't fight it because that's like the start of the week. They just gonna carry that until London or whatever. Or sometimes it carries on to New York. Even if it seems slow, but you'll see throughout the day it'll progress. So okay, so I said even through the day you'll see that it'll progress. So let's go to 1 hour. I just want to show you guys because I'm not gonna tell like big stories. I just want you guys to learn something. Let's just go to okay, let me switch on period separator so we can see where the day ended and when it started. Events, session breaks, yeah. Okay, so session break. So I gave you this. Let's just scroll forward. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's 1 hour. So I just want to see where it was. Okay, so it was this candle here. This one was still forming. Now, all right, so I spoke about time. I just want to see if, yeah, there we go. Just want you to see as everything I said kind of happened pretty close to what I was trying to explain. Yeah, here we go. So I was a simple like advice to keep your life simple. Treat it like people are going to work in London, right? So you have to check around 8 to 10 what they do because usually that's where sometimes they can 7:30 pre-market, they can start building something. So all you want to do is whatever you use, doesn't matter your method. My method is pretty simple but quite accurate. Okay, so I was just showing you about time there. So I want you to see something. It's London right now. In London is about 19 minutes to 12, like midnight, right? So have a look here. I'm just going to use a vertical tool. Let me turn it black so you can see clearly. Okay, so I'm going to move it to time, right? So London started here and look down here. this is when they open. So 8 to 9, they found support. I was hoping a bit deeper, but obviously once you see where they stop, you can obviously start planning, because like I said, you have a plan, but according to what the market does, you just have to move around it and kind of see in a lower time frame how you can climb in. So as I said I'm expecting it to come to this area, but I think I explained that just watch the video. I don't want to play it too long. I just want to go through this because I expected it to come here, but I said it will probably come touch on Tuesday. And Monday they gave us, okay, let's just see. Like from here, that is quite a move, right? 200 pips. And the next day it was to this is also 200 pips. Well, 240 if you want to push it. And then this is simple. Well, not simple, but it was a trend line trade. Let me just see. Yeah, it was just a trend line trade. Sometimes price when it just stops in the middle of nowhere, you just know that it's probably just something like that, right? Um, so yeah, this like my viewpoint right now is that according to how they closed yesterday, which was around about here. Okay, this target I'm gonna delete it because it's reached now. They've already hinted that they're gonna go further up, but I'm not saying they're just gonna shoot straight up. Just understand when price goes up, obviously it will go down first, or whatever the case may be, right? Especially because my whole thing this week is that I understand that it's going up, but this whole move that's going to happen, whether it goes zigzaggy, this is what I'm looking for or close to it, because this area is basically what I'm gunning for in terms of like the high of the week, right? Um, so yeah, I mean, even right now, like I said, you trade within the session time, so they could come maybe down here, right? And just carry on and then stop around there, hang around. But yeah, like I said, level to level, 50 to 100 pips, that's more than enough for any trader. So yeah, that's about it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this video. This was just a recap on gold of what I had shared before. It was pretty accurate, and yeah, it's like this is trading. Not everything is going to be perfect, but just have a really clean plan, simple to follow, and follow it. I mean, have your risk, have your confirmation style in lower time frame or whatever the case may be, and then go for it. Without taking chances, you'll never know. Now, I think I'm gonna look at another pair. So just try and see what I load in the next few minutes or so before I sleep. I'm gonna see what else, what other opportunities could show up tomorrow. All right. Have a good one. Mula is out.